Hey, today we are styling two cord sets in 10 different ways using simple accessories and styling tricks. Today's fashion world, cord sets are most loved pieces in our wardrobe. Today I am styling this chic polyester abstract print cord set from Ajio in two ways. For the first look, I tucked the shirt in and added a broad brown belt, instantly giving it a structured jumpsuit vibe. The belt not only defines the waist but also add an extra element of style. While I love this look, I must admit I am missing the pockets for that extra convenience. For the second look, I have styled the shirt with white tailored trousers, a sleek belt, and my go-to acrylic strap heels. To complete the outfit, I added a structured bag, creating a polished, office-ready or brunch-worthy look. Second cord set is this vibrant yellow piece from AKS Couture made of pure cotton fabric, which I got from Myntra. At first glance, it might give you those night suit vibes, but let's elevate it and give it a stylish twist. Start. I have added bold accessories. These statement shell earrings really pop against the yellow. Next, I paired it with chunky white heels that instantly add a chic touch. What about oversized sunglasses? I think a must have for that glamorous vibe. And of course, a stylish bag to complete the look. See how effortlessly it went from laid back to luxe. Accessories truly make all the difference, turning this comfy set into a trendy, eye catching outfit. For the second look with this yellow cord set, I decided to give it a sophisticated office ready twist. I swapped the matching trousers with crisp white pants to add structure and a fresh contrast to bright yellow top. To keep it elegant yet professional, I added these classic pearl earrings. They are simple but make such a refined statement. For footwear, I opted for my favorite chunky block heels in white color. Not only do they add height and style, but they are comfortable enough for the long office hours. Finally, to complete the look, I added my go to spectacles. They instantly give this outfit that polished and professional vibe, making it perfect for an office meeting or a work day where you want to look sharp. To create a casual vibe, I switched the trousers with straight dark blue denim for a laid back yet stylish look. I rolled up the sleeves of the yellow top for that effortless charm and paired it with comfy flats, perfect for running errands or grabbing a coffee. Finally, I added sunglasses to keep it cool and casual. Let's transform this look into something office ready. I started by adding these elegant pearl earrings, simple yet sophisticated. They are perfect for a formal setting. Then I clinched the waist with sleek belt to create a structured silhouette, instantly making it look polished. I unrolled the sleeves for a clean and professional vibe. Next, I swapped the flats for nude loafers, comfortable yet chic, ideal for long office hours. To complete the transformation, I added a structured bag for that extra dose of formality. And of course, my spectacles to tie it all together. And just like that, this outfit is ready to conquer a workday. See how small tweaks in accessories and styling can completely change the vibe of an outfit. Let's take it back to casual vibes. I swapped the tailored jeans for a skinny light wash denim and paired it with basic sleeveless white top for that effortless look. To add some dimension, I layered it with my yellow shirt worn open, creating a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Sleek belt brings structure, while these shell earrings and sunglasses add the perfect touch of chic. And of course, I finished it off with my go-to acrylic heels for casual yet classy finish. Let's style these yellow printed trousers for lounging at home or traveling in style. For the first look, I swapped the cord set shirt with a breezy white linen top, perfect for that effortless vibe. Rolled up sleeves keep it casual yet chic, and bold earring add just the right pop of style. I paired it with chunky block heels and my favorite sunglasses to pull the whole look together. Want a twist? You can recreate the same vibe with white oversized shirt. It's comfortable, versatile, and oh so stylish whether you are relaxing at home or catching a flight. This look is a winner. Stay tuned for styling tips and easy transformations.